We wanted to take the Reveal survey because we wanted to know we were doing the very best we could do at making disciples.
We took Reveal to help us really strategize into the future. And some people would say, well, you're only 5 years old, but you know, we wanted to be, we just didn't want to be generalists.
My senior associate was a space scientist before he came to work on our staff, and he's kind of a numbers guy and thinks that unless you can measure it, it's not happening. So he said, hey, why don't we do this thing? And I thought, well, you know, it won't hurt anything. As it turned out, it's become a wonderful tool for us to figure out where we're at and where we're going.
When we heard about Reveal, what was different about that was it was measuring heart. And that's something that really intrigued us.
And we really recognized that we needed to do a better job connecting people and allowing our infrastructure to also grow so we could support equipping and empowering people to be effective where they were.
I'd encourage you to do the Reveal and be willing to deal with whatever it says about your church and to be able to use the tools that it gives you on the other side for what to do with that data and how to make that movement from people who don't know Christ at all to the discipleship process.
As a matter of fact, I would say do Reveal every couple of years because it'll enlighten you so that you can be effective to do the things that God's called you to do.
It's going to give you a true picture. We've done it twice, we're going to do it again. And we are because we believe in it as a God-sent tool for the church today.
The Bible's pretty clear that us shepherds are going to be accountable for how we lead and feed the sheep, so why not get a progress report now? And the progress report will be affirming, and we'll show you where your strengths are, and it'll show you where your challenges are, and it's an excellent tool to move you forward in ministry.